Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough day for the chart. And at first, it looked like everything was totally fine. I mean, the price was doing a good job of holding up above this pink line here, which, as I talked about in yesterday's video, is that very famous 200-period simple moving average in the world of charts. And it was just flirting right around that area. And then I don't know what happened during the final 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the final 30 minutes there. The volume came back in pretty strong. And then, just a totally bearish candle right here. Now, does that mean it's, the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that. But it was definitely, something where, the bears very well are making an attempt at things to take back over full control. Normally I wouldn't say that, but like I said, the final 30 minutes, it is what it is. So let's map out some next potential areas of support if this price action does decide to continue to pull back. So next level of potential support, going to be down here at the bottom of this phase, which sits at about $1.67. After $1.67, next level of support at that point, which is at $1.50. So $1.67, $1.50 next potential areas of support if this movement comes down. It seems somewhat random, though. I mean, the price was, like I said, it was just going sideways, and then all of a sudden that happened. So maybe it was just a couple people that got fed up with things and quickly hit the bids, and the bids weren't ready for it. So I don't know. That just seems very random. So, and I'm not, and I wish there was such thing as a guarantee, and I wish I could say. So therefore, because it was random, this thing will be up above $2 tomorrow. I'm not saying that, but at the same time, something just seems off with the way that formed, given how the entire day, was just kind of slowly going sideways, and then all of a sudden that happened. So I'm not quite sure if that's a real bearish move or not, and I have no problem admitting that because charts are not perfect. Nothing is perfect in the world of trading, and anybody that tries to portray something as being perfect is lying to you because there is no holy grail. And in this situation, yeah, I think the chart may be saying that that's not actually bearish. But again, maybe the chart very well could be right, and maybe this is the beginning of a much bigger bearish move, but only time will tell. So we'll see how tomorrow unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.